How to change your name on Facebook. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in the video today, I'll be showing you how you can change your name on Facebook. So this is a new way in today's video. So I'll show you how that's done. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Here on Facebook, you're going to want to head over to the menu icon at the bottom right hand corner. Go ahead and click on it. Now here, you will be brought to the menu section. Now, make your way down to the bottom of the page until you come across the settings and privacy setting. Go ahead and untab it and then click on settings. Now from here, head over to the account settings, and under account, you're going to want to head over to personal information. Now just go ahead and click on it. Once you do that, you should be able to see your personal information and general, user settings here. So you can see that one of the first settings here is name. So just go ahead and click on it here. And then after that, it's going to load up another page here that says that you're going to actually change your name here or whatever. So basically you could change to your new name right here, whatever it may be. Maybe you just got married, so you want to change your last name. So keep note that you can change it for 60 days, so don't add any, weird stuff, and make sure that your name is correct. So that's essentially how you go ahead and change your name on Facebook. Basically, go ahead and do that, review the change, and then after that, it's going to go ahead and save it. So if you found this video very helpful, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, that's how you change your name on Facebook. With that being said, have a nice day, everybody. I'll see you guys until next time.